Have you ever felt overwhelmed with tasks, envying those who seem to effortlessly accomplish their goals? Don't worry, because today we're going to share some simple and easy to implement tips that will help you maximize your time and achieve more in your daily life. With these techniques, you'll be well on your way to joining the ranks of highly productive individuals. So let's not waste any more time and get started on our journey towards better time, saving techniques for a more efficient and productive life. Welcome to Moving Up Wealthy, your partner in the journey towards wealth and success. Setting priorities. Setting priorities and defining goals is a crucial step towards achieving success in any aspect of life. When it comes to personal wellness, it is important to identify the specific areas that need improvement and why. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. For example, if you want to lose weight to feel healthier, it is important to set tangible fitness goals that are achievable. Some examples could be running 1 mile without stopping or losing 5 pounds in 3 months. However, it is important to remember that weight loss is just one aspect of personal wellness. It is equally important to address other factors like diet habits, sleep quality, and stress levels. When setting goals related to personal wellness, it is important to be realistic and avoid setting overly ambitious targets. This can lead to frustration and disappointment if you are unable to achieve them. Instead, start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up. It is also important to celebrate your successes along the way. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Single tasking. Single tasking, as opposed to multitasking, involves concentrating on one task at a time. This approach minimizes distractions and reduces the mental strain caused by frequently switching between tasks. By avoiding the habit of checking your phone or email while working on something, you maintain focus and increase efficiency. Ultimately, single tasking can lead to higher productivity and improved time management. To-do lists. To-do lists can be a great way to organize your tasks and stay on top of your responsibilities. By creating lists for each day, week, or month, you can break down larger goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. Prioritizing tasks based on importance can also help you focus on what needs to be done first. In addition to including work-related tasks, it's important to include fun and interesting activities on your to-do list. This can help you stay motivated and give you something to look forward to. For example, you could include activities like going for a walk, trying a new recipe, or reading a book. It's important to remember that to-do lists are not meant to be overwhelming or to make you feel like you need to complete everything all at once. The goal is to get everything done eventually, so it's okay if you don't complete everything on your list in one day. Social media. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, offering benefits such as staying connected with friends and family, staying updated on current events, and even networking for professional purposes. However, excessive or uncontrolled social media usage can lead to negative consequences, such as decreased productivity, increased stress, and a reduced sense of well-being. Being mindful of your social media usage involves recognizing how it impacts your life and determining whether it aligns with your personal goals and values. If you find that social media is not contributing to meaningful connections or helping you achieve your goals, it might be worth reconsidering the amount of time you spend on it. One way to address this issue is by reducing your time spent on social media platforms. You can do this by setting limits on the amount of time you spend on each platform, turning off notifications, or scheduling specific times of the day for social media usage. Another option is to take a temporary break from social media altogether. This can provide you with the opportunity to evaluate how social media affects your productivity, mental health, and overall well-being. Organization tools. Organization tools are essential for managing tasks, increasing productivity, and maintaining a well-structured routine. They come in various forms and offer different features, so it's crucial to find the ones that best suit your needs and preferences. Calendars, whether physical or digital, are a staple organization tool. They help you schedule appointments, set reminders for important events, and plan your day-to-day activities. By utilizing a calendar, you can visualize your time and allocate it efficiently, ensuring that you don't miss any deadlines or important engagements. To-do lists are another vital organization tool, aiding in task prioritization and keeping track of what needs to be done. Task management apps such as Todoist, Wunderlist, or Trello, combine the benefits of calendars and to-do lists while also offering additional features. These apps often include options to set deadlines, assign tasks to others, and categorize tasks based on projects or goals. These organization tools not only help you plan and manage your tasks, but also allow you to monitor your progress. Self-care. Take some time out of your busy schedule to relax and remind yourself that you matter. Do things that make you happy and keep your mind fresh. Remember to set aside time for yourself daily to maintain a healthy balance. Delegation. Delegate tasks when possible, but be sure to check in on deadlines regularly. Ensure the person you're delegating to has the time, resources, and understanding of the task. Keep track of progress throughout every stage to avoid surprises or delays. The bottom line. Becoming more efficient and productive is possible with these simple techniques and tools. Prioritize your to-do list, single, task, use organizational tools, and remember to take care of yourself. Start small, and you'll be amazed at how much time you save by using these strategies. Good luck on your journey to a more efficient and productive life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our amazing community and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post new content. Don't forget to like, comment, and share for more great content. Visit our website at movingupwealthy.com and check out our suggested videos. We'll see you in the next video.